Today guys, I show you how to download Max Payne 2 on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, the fastest way and the most legit way is Steam. Just go here and search and type like me Max Payne 2 and you will see Fall of the Max Payne. Click on it. Also make sure you create Steam account. After you have Steam account, move here down and you will see here Add to Cart. Click on it. Go here View my card and you will see here Continue to Payment. Click on it. If you have Steam Wallet, just use Steam Wallet. If not, go here on PayPal and you will see Continue. Click on it. Click here PayPal, log in on your account like me and you will get your game in library. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download Max Payne 2 on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.